What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we are going to be dealing with the FPCM module. That's the fuel pump control module that is on this 2019 Titan. I received a P1220 code after changing the fuel pump on this particular 2019 Nissan Titan, and so now we're going to go ahead and get that module swapped out, and hopefully that gets this car running again. So first thing we're going to do before starting this job is we're going to disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. And we'll just tuck this out of the way. First thing we're going to do is get this push pin fastener out of here. Go ahead and grab that out. There's another one on the side right here. So what we do is we use the flathead to kind of get in there. Wiggle that tab loose. There's a screw right here, and there's another screw right here. Once we get both of those screws out, and then to be able to wiggle this right out so that we can get access to the inside. All right, so once you're looking inside, the fuel pump control module is located right there with that plug on top of it. It sits right in there. So to get access to that, you can see my hand here from the side. Let's see if we can get around here. All right, we're using a 10 on a 3/8 wobble head. We're gonna see if we can get that to sit where we need it. All right, we got both screws out. So here's the module. These Nissan harness clips are some of the tightest clips I've ever had to pull off. They are so stiff. But anyways, here's the module. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this bracket off here and we're gonna switch it over to the new module and then get it installed. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get the harness clip back in place here. So just slide that in. Now that the harness is in place, we need to reinstall the screws onto the bracket. All right, once you get everything tightened down, we can see the harness is in place, everything is locked and loaded. We're gonna go ahead and put this cover back on here. Okay, now that everything's in place, we're gonna go ahead, reconnect up the negative, tighten them down.
So hopefully you were able to see from this video the installation steps for the fuel pump control module. It's not a hard job, it just takes a little bit of patience to work with those connectors and to get those screws off the back side of the bracket. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you are able to save a couple bucks if you ever have this problem with your car where it needs to be changed. And I think that's it. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.